Hi, everyone. What a week. After nearly 90 hours without power, I'm finally back online. I pray that you are all able to stay safe and warm during this extremely difficult time. Please practice good self care and make your mental and physical health your top priority. If anyone in the Corpus area is still struggling and needs a warm meal or some boiled water, please let me know. During times like these, our community really needs to come together and support one another. Just a reminder, I've lifted the deadline for the week 3 quiz. As long as you complete it by the end of the semester, it will still count. Also, remember that I drop your 3 lowest quiz scores at the end of the semester. I know life throws us unexpected turns, and that's why I built this policy into the course. So if you had a really tough week and you need to skip this quiz, it's not a huge issue. I would still encourage you to do your best to read and view the week 3 content. Week 3 covers the big 3 sociological theories, and we'll be working with these theories throughout the rest of the semester. I'll do my best to review content from both week 3 and week 4 in class next week, but time will be tight. To make the most out of our class time, I strongly encourage you to come to class next week with any questions that you have. Stay well, and I'll see you next week.